Unicom ERP is a complete ERP solution, including accounting, purchase, sales, inventory management, manufacturing, fixed asset management and all other necessary functions required for a business organization. Important functions associated with sales and customer management are item information, customer information, sales proposal/quotation, sales order/invoicing, partial and direct, sales return, customer accounting and various reports associated with the above functions. Item information can be maintained from business, inventory, item definition menu option. It can also create directly from purchase order or sales order screens. Items in Unicom ERP are mainly classified into physical or stock items and service or consumables. Service or consumable items are also called non-stock items. For stock items, stock status is maintained based on the receiving and issue of items. Average cost is computed for those items. But for non-stock items, at the time of purchase itself it is considered as expenses. Stock status is not maintained. Under the groups of stock items and non-stock items, items can further classify into different categories. Under the category, the individual items are defined. There is no specific rules for coding the items in Unicom ERP, other than it should be a number, and not exceeding 12 characters. In addition to item code, there is an alternate item code is available, mainly for entering international barcode or supplier item code, which can be up to 100 characters. There is a short name for the item, which can be up to 100 characters. A detailed description is also available, which can be up to 2,000 characters. The unit of measure, like kilogram or meter, is not predefined in Unicom ERP. User can define any number of units of measures. There are two price lists available, purchase price and sales price. Customer information is very critical for any business organization. A new customer can be added or edited from the business, parties, customer menu option. A new customer can also be added directly from the sales order screen. In the accounting, the customer created also act as customer subsidiary ledger. Customer information include many details like company name, contact person, and contact information related to the customer. Credit period and credit limits are also useful information for managing the customers. We can define the prefix of a sales invoice number with the help of Sales Order Series. Sales Order Series setup screen can be reached through the back office, Document Series, Sales Order Series menu option. Press Add New button to create new series. From the screen you can select the type of the document such as sales order, sales return, or point of sale. Description can be any description related to the series. As per the rule of GST Council of India, an invoice number should be consecutive serial number, in one or multiple series, containing alphabets or numerals or special characters, such as hyphen or forward slash, and any combination thereof, unique for a financial year. To set the series to default, select Yes from the default combo box. At the end, press Create button to save the data. To change the default of any series, check the checkbox corresponding to any series and press Edit button above. To set the series to default, select Yes from the default combo box. You can also change the description if you want. After all, press Update button to save the data. Sales proposal or quotation in Unicom ERP is a document that contains the details of a proposed sale, such as the products or services offered, the prices, the terms and conditions, and the delivery date. Sales proposal in our system can be used to streamline the sales process and integrate it with other business functions, such as inventory, accounting, and customer relationship management. Unicom ERP can help generate sales proposals or quotations based on the customer's requirements and the availability of resources. It can also track the status of the proposals or quotations and convert them into sales orders once they are accepted. User can open Sales Proposal menu from Business, Sales, Sales Proposal/Quotation. The Sales Proposal History screen will display all the created proposals so far. User can filter the proposals based on posting type, sales order type, cost center, customer and date range. All the posted proposals will be in view mode and all the unposted proposals will be in edit mode. Also, the user has the option for create, print and delete the proposals. By clicking Add New button, new screen for creating a proposal will open. To create a sales proposal, initially user need to provide some information. As the header information, user need to select the order type, either it is a credit or cash type. The second important thing is the customer. All the created customer in the ERP will be listed here. User can choose any one of the existing customer or they can create a new customer by clicking on the Add New option. Next is the salesperson. By default it will be the logged in user and we have the option for changing the salesperson also. In the status field, user can choose between the current status of the proposal, whether it is a contact lead or a confirmed opportunity, and so on. In addition to that, user can select the date, delivery date and any remarks for the proposal. The payment and delivery terms will fill by default after choosing the customer, and user can modify that also. After filling the necessary header details, select the items that are going to be in the proposal and the corresponding quantity, rate and discount of the item. Upon inserting, the data will be listed in the below grid. User can choose as many number of products as they want. After insertion, if there is any change in the product data, user can directly edit it from the grid. User can modify the item, quantity, rate or discount of the product. If there is any change in the product, there is an option for deleting the item too. GST of the product will be calculated automatically based on the product configuration. Total invoice value can be viewed at the bottom of the grid. On the top, user has the option for taking the printout of the proposal, which can be used to send to the customer. Once the proposal/quotation has been confirmed, user can easily convert this proposal into a sales order. From the action, user can choose Convert to Sales Order option. Once it is done, the proposal will be in posted state, which cannot be further modified. Once the proposal has been converted, the next stage is the sales order/invoicing. Sales order or invoicing can be accessed from the Business, Sales, Invoicing menu option. Each sales order have a header section, which describes the sales order number, date, customer, etc. On opening the above menu option, sales orders are listed based on the header information. Sales orders can be filtered based on these information. For example, if you want to see the sales order of one customer only, you can select that customer from the filter combo, and it will display all invoices of that customer. Similarly, it can also be filtered based on the date range. All sales ordered that are posted or finalized can be viewed or printed using the View button on the right side of each sales order. If it is not finalized, it can be edited using the Edit button against each sales order. If a new sales order need to be added, it can be added using the Add New button. On clicking Add New in the History screen or clicking Edit or View against any sales order details screen will be displayed. Here the lines of a sales order can be edited, added, or displayed. From the sales order type combo, option is available for a credit or cash sales order. If it is credit sales, customer can be selected from the customer combo. The date of the sales order can also be selected. Terms of the customer will be auto-filled based on previously set data, which can also be modified here. User has the option for entering the basic details like place of supply, vehicle number, invoice type, port code, and shipping date. These data can be further used for the GST calculation. Multiple lines can be inserted for one sales order. Item can be selected by any part of item name or item code or alternate item code. If an item description is given, other than the standard item name, it will be printed in the sales invoice. On entering quantity and rate, by default coming from sales price, the sales order line can be completed. Discount can be entered for each item or for the full sales order. To print the sales order, options can be selected from the Print Format combo on the top of the sales order screen, near to Print button and click Print button. A sales order can be modified until that sales order is posted or finalized. After posting sales order, it cannot be modified or deleted. On posting the sales order, it will update the sales history, update inventory history of the items in the sales order, make accounting entry, including that of customer ledger, for credit sales. A sales order can be posted or deleted from the Actions combo on the top right-hand side of the sales order screen. On selecting a suitable option from the Actions combo, click Go button to execute the action. In Unicom ERP, there is also an option for partial delivery and invoicing. Partial delivery and invoicing is a process that allows a supplier to deliver goods or services in multiple shipments and issue invoices for each shipment separately. This can be beneficial for both the supplier and the customer, as it can improve cash flow, reduce inventory costs, and allow for more flexibility in meeting customer demand. Sales order with partial delivery can be opened from Business, Sales Order with Partial Delivery menu. Just like the direct sales order screen here, also we can filter the orders from the history and create a new order by clicking the Add New button. Choose the basic header details like type, customer, date, remarks, etc. Select the items and its quantity, rate, discount if any, and insert it. After choosing the product's next step is the partial delivery and the invoicing. So the user need not be delivering the full items at once, they can do it step by step as the customer and supplier's preference. For the partial delivery and invoicing, go to Business, Sales, Partial Sales Delivery and Partial Sales Invoicing menu. In the Sales Delivery screen, all the created sales orders will be listed. From the status, it is clear that which orders has been partially delivered or fully delivered. Open the order that need to be delivered by clicking on the Edit button. In the Sales Delivery header screen, user can create a new header for the delivery. User can create multiple sales deliveries unless until the quantity of the delivered items equals to the issued quantity in the sales order. In Sales Delivery line screen, all the items in the sales order will be listed in the item combo. User can choose the item from the item combo box. There are two different kinds of items. Items with lot or batch number, and items without lot number. A lot number is a unique identifier, assigned to a batch of items, that share a common attribute, such as the same manufacturing date, location, or expiration date. If the item has any batch number, a new option for choosing the batch number of the product will be displayed. User can select the item batch and expiry date combination from the list. In the quantity field, enter the quantity that is going to be delivered. In this way, user can create multiple delivery for a single sales order until the complete quantity is delivered. Once the delivery has been done, user can go for the invoice. Just like the delivery, user can create multiple invoice based on each delivery. In the invoice amount field, give the amount and post the invoice. Only after completing the delivery an invoice user can post the sales order, which is the final step in the process. Accounting entries for the sales order can be viewed from the Reports, Finance, Journal Voucher menu option. Normally there will be two sets of entry for a sales order: crediting inventory and debiting cost of sales at cost price of the item sold. The other entry is crediting sales ledger account, crediting VAT payable ledger account, and debiting cash or accounts receivable. Credit sales also update the customer subledger for that customer. It can be viewed from Reports, Finance, Customer or Supplier Statement menu option, or Reports, Finance, Supplier or Customer Balance menu option. Both menu option generates reports and allow to view the customer statement and journal entry associated with that. In Unicom, there are two options for creating the sales return. One is to create a return against a particular sales order. In that case, return header will be auto-generated and user can select the items from the combo. Only items that are in the sales order will be listed here. Second is to create a direct sales return that can be made using the menu option Business, Sales Return. From the screen, just like sales order, a new return can be made, an unposted return can be edited, or a posted return can be viewed. From the details screen, the selected return can be printed and an unposted return can be posted or deleted. sales return accounting entry will be the just reverse of the sales order accounting entries. They can be viewed by the same option as that of sales order. There are many reports related to sales is available under Reports, Sales menu option. Daily Sales Report is one of those report options available in that menu. It will list separately the cash sales and credit sales for the selected date range. From any sales order, the details of that order can be viewed by clicking on the hyperlink associated with that. Another report under Reports, Sales menu option is the Invoice Report, which will list all sales orders for the selected period. Details of any sales order can view from the hyperlink related to that sales order. To view the sales of any item, the Report menu option from Reports, Sales by item will list all sales related to the selected item.